Woo! It's a new day. Welcome back to Wrector. So it's been 3 days since we did the last update on Bitcoin. So let's see what happened. This is what we predicted 3 days ago. I told you there we have a strong support that we do on green. So we also do the path to follow. So let's see what happened, right? Real quick. So on my last video, I told you that we'll be touching the 45,000 mark, which we failed to. We only touched 44,800. I told you since there is a falling wedge and the trend line support and the horizontal support, we have three great confirmations other than our indicators showing that it was a good buying opportunity. So yeah, bam, we did make it almost there, but not 45,000. And then we dropped right to the path that I drew on the previous video. So let's see what's with Bitcoin right now. Yeah, yeah. So let's since this is not this what do you call trend line is not valid anymore. Let's identify what's up. So right now, since we are at the current support level 40,600, we need to identify the next immediate support. So we'll be doing that right now. So let's go get a red triangle. Let's go back. So I think this would be a good support range. The 39,000 to 39,000 to 30, yeah, 38,500 range. Yeah, so that will be our next immediate support. So let's try to see if we could match another trend line over here. Sorry about that. So let's remove the falling wedge. Let's get off the trend. Let's see if we could get a trend line. So you see the new trend line, right? So right now we have the support. We are also at another trend line. We do have our immediate support at 39,000. The next support, we do have our resistance at 44,900, 45,000 range. So let's see what's up with Bitcoin. Right, so if you look through the indicators, so this is like all the indicators that I use. Since most of you ask how do I make such accurate predictions, no, that's not based on one confirmations. I use more than let's say close to 30. So this is like one of my screen, and then there is another computer that I use. I'll do it on another video. So yeah, I use more than 60 indicators to make a trade, right? Yeah, so let's get back into Bitcoin, and let's see what's up with our immediate indicators. So this is the daily chart. Uh, the RSI is not, it's probably in a sell area. So most likely on the near future, we might try to bounce back up because we did have the, what you call, the big buy green candle on the Bollinger Band strategy, which confirmed as a buy signal. So just to get an immediate confirmation for the next 3 days, let's go into the lower channels and let's see what's up, right? Yeah. So just by looking at this on the forward chart, now we do see that there is a rising wedge on the forward chart. For me to draw it, here you go. So we did, yeah. So yeah, this is the rising wedge. So I believe if we are to bounce back from here, which is a good support area for most investors to buy, where I think they will. We would be doing straight away here, or we would come back down and go up from here, right? So why do I say that? Because I think Bitcoin is at a good buy range for most of the whales. Most of them would enter 5 to 10% of their portfolio by placing dollar cost averaging orders at 38,500, 37,000 knots. So most likely there will be a lot of buy orders placed in between this range. Yeah, so most likely we are going up. I don't think we're going to see another 36,000. Yeah, so let's see what's our indicator showing us. Yeah, so if you go back into the 1 hour, you do see the Fisher was at an oversold area, the RSI was at oversold, the Bollinger Band strategy is moving upwards. We are likely will be having a confirmation on the 1 hour very soon. So let's go further below and see what's up with the immediate time frame. So yeah, on the 15-minute short-term time frames, you do see uh, a buy on the MACD SR strategy. You do see a buy on the Bollinger Bands. The RSI is at a good buy potential area. The Fisher is moving upwards. It's not oversold yet. So yeah, we do have short-term confirmations that saying Bitcoin is going up, unless there is any fear over the what you call the recent news. It might drop, but I don't think it's going to drop that further, right? So most likely what I would still say is uh, Bitcoin will be following the trend that we drew on our what do you call past uh, few days ago. So yeah, just from you to show you guys what else I could say about this. So if you look at the trend line, we are going to bounce back at the trend line. We are going to bounce back at the trend line. We do have a MACD cross. We do have a what do you call the RSI moving average cross. We do have a Willy cross. We do have dots below the regression line. We do have a beta candle forming above the regression line, and the RSI is at the oversold position, right? So we have like 1,000. We have like I've showed you more than 15 confirmations right now. So this is a good area to buy. Most likely Bitcoin will be shooting upwards. Yeah. So for those who are lazy traders, we do also run a signal channel. So this is our what do you call PNL for the 17th of February. Yeah, I know it's very massive, right? 3,600. Yeah. So on average, we do probably 5 to 20 signals a day. If you look at our previous 2-day gain, it was like 4,500. Yeah. So our PNL is always skyrocketing. We are like the best fast going and the most profitable channel in the world. You guys are invited to join me. Do drop a message. Find me on Telegram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much.